In today's video, I'll show you how to fix messages missing or not showing after updating to iOS 26 on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the Messages app first, and then if you don't see all of your messages here, tap on the filter icon in the top right corner. This will reveal multiple categories to choose from, and your messages should be in one of these. For example, if you tap on Unknown Senders, you should see lots here, and some potentially in the spam section. If you prefer how it was with all of your messages in the main section, choose Manage Filtering at the bottom of the menu in the top right, and then you can turn off the option called Screen Unknown Senders. This will mean all messages appear in the main section except for spam, which you could enable or disable below. If you leave the Screen Unknown Senders option on, there is an additional option to still receive notifications for certain types of messages, such as verification codes. You could alternatively add an unknown sender as a contact. That's how to fix messages missing or not showing after updating to iOS 26 on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.